Hello, today is day 6, and yesterday we talked about nourishing your heart and creating an open heart and releasing some of the negative emotions you might be feeling and how important that is to do regularly. Another thing I want to share with you that is so crucial to, one, finding joy, and two, to really helping overcome despair, discouragement, depression, is to form relationships. That's kind of a catch-22 because sometimes when you get down to a place that you're just really discouraged, you may not feel like getting out there and socializing, okay? But it's the safety net. It is so important to not be isolated. That is the worst thing you can do, is just the isolation, because what happens is your head starts going and your thoughts might take over and take you down to a dark path or somewhere that's very difficult, okay? So finding relationships, create that, to me, that's just the joy of life. I love connecting with people. And I know that the times that I've felt isolated and apart from people, it's challenging for me because I am an extrovert. I love to connect and really go to the heart of a relationship. So find those relationships and spend time with friends. Just do simple things. Talk one-on-one. Go out for a walk. Go to lunch with someone. You might also do some things like volunteering and kind of getting outside of yourself. Sometimes our problems or pain might seem so overwhelming that we just stay there. But the best thing to do is to be able to get outside of ourselves. I remember just a few weeks after my daughter passed away, and I just felt so raw. But I was asked by someone to go really befriend this woman who was really struggling. Her husband actually, anyway, it was a difficult situation. She was put into jail, and she was just heartbroken and struggling. And I started going over and visiting with her and started sharing her some tools that had helped me. Also, I have to share this. Yeah, weeks after my daughter passed away, I was surrounded by women. And some of those women are watching this, I know. And they were my angels. They were my angels. Believe me, after I lost her, it was horrible, but I was actually in a good place for a couple of years because I was so supported. And then it was when I became more isolated. I had moved away. I hadn't created new friendships. I became I'm going to get emotional, isolated. And that is when I say it's the adversary gets into your head and starts feeding you with things that how you'll never measure up, or you're worthless, or you should have done this or that, and whatever it is that the voices tell you. Because I'm going to teach you, when we talk about nourishing your mind, how to combat that, but how that can take you to a difficult place. So create those relationships, find a friend, take a class, start volunteering. Those are some things to open and nourish your heart, but also to bring you more joy. The last thing you need to do is isolate yourself. And if you have family or loved ones that are isolating, reach out to them, provide networks, and that is so key. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.